Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to recover files after recycle bin is empty. You can learn 3 ways here. Way 1. Recover files via previous versions. If you have backup the files with File History tool on your computer, you can get back the important files after the recycle bin is empty. Open the File Explorer. Go to the folder where the files are stored before sending them to recycle bin. Right-click and choose Restore Previous Options. Click the Previous Options tab. After that, select the versions and click the Restore button. Alright, the files have been restored. Way to recover deleted files with Windows Backup. Search Backup and Restore option in the Start menu. After that, open this option. When you have backup the Windows before the important files are empty, you can click the Restore My Files option on the Restore file. OK, search for the files you want to restore. After that, click the Next button. Select a location to save these files. Click the Restore button. OK, the deleted files are restored. Way 3. Recover deleted files using iSunshare BitGenius. If there is no file backup or system backup on your computer, how can you recover the deleted files after the recycle bin is empty? iSunshare BitGenius is the professional data recovery software that can help you to recover deleted files in minutes. You can download it from its official website and finish the installation. Now, open the software and choose a location to scan. Minutes later, the scan is completed. You can find the deleted files or folders on the left side. Also, you can tick the files and click the Recover button. Yes, you need to select a location to store them. Alright, you can go to the destination folder to view the recovered files. That's all for the video.